Hello everybody and welcome back to another Earthbound Beginnings remake video. So last time we launched a rocket to the boulder, so through Duncan's factory. So yeah, and then we are going to Snowman. So I hope you enjoy it, everybody. Let's go. What? Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh! Oh, you want to fight me? Alright. Alrighty then. Okay. Alrighty then. I will fight you. Alright then. Okay. Oh! Oh! Okay. Noise. Righty then. Okay. Oh. Union Station. Okay. Reindeer, right? He said. I heard on the radio that major panics are breaking out everywhere. I will protect this station no matter what. I am a train loving mouse. Before you buy a train ticket, you should take a look at the map on this sign. If you don't look at the map of the train route, then you might not know where you're going. Is that Apple? I don't think it's strange for a mouse to love trains, do you? I cannot comment that. Okay, Union Station. Yeah, reindeer. I can guarantee this train go very far, but you still need a ticket to ride. Here to buy one? Yeah. That'd be $32. Then, yes. Have a nice trip. Okay, let's go. Okay. Alrighty then. Reindeer. This is the bird. This is the old woman, right? By any chance, are you on your way to Snowman? Yes. I found this nut. I think it belongs to a girl in Snowman. Deliver it to her if you be so kind. Okay, thank you. Nintendo got the first one. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I know. Snowman, please. Yes. Oh. Okay. Okay, then Mom left for Youngtown. We haven't heard from her for days now. Dan and I are going there to look for her. I was on my way to Youngtown to look for my wife, but without the train running, how can I get there? Sir, maybe I can. Yeah. Oh. Okay. 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 Now I'm going to work. Okay. I think after this I will play the US version because there's no nudity in the game. Oh, nice. I'm Cleveland still in training. Over this much I can see. You shall return again to Union Station, although I'm not completely sure. Okay. Thank you for that fortune telling thingy. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. We tamed it. Okay, thank you. Nice. Okay. Shield Alpha. Oh, nice. There you go. Tame. Then we have a present. Popsicle. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Team. We really need to fight them. Okay. Oh, nice. Yes. You went to level 21 now. Oh yeah, you don't use, if I'm correct, they don't use, that's the word, they don't use, I heard everyone in Youngtown has disappeared. What was the word again? What was the word? They use, okay, let's, welcome. One night here will cost you $250. Nope. Sorry, visit us again. I will. Thank you. Thank you very much. Anna's house is a chateau, not a mansion, but I'll bet you You already knew that. Yeah, I think so. Anna hasn't been to school lately. I'm so worried. Oh, excuse me. Have you been to the haunted house in Spokane? No. I don't want to visit it, but you probably should. We will later. Your kids are crazy running around with just t-shirts on. Oh my goodness, dude. Are you serious? There's a shadow in the mountains further to the east. Oh my goodness. I knew it. My grandfather lives in the Yucca Desert. If you see him, please say hello to me for me. It's freezing here in the snowman. Try not to catch a cold. Brush your teeth too. Oh my goodness, dude. You serious? Though I may not be a healer, then if you have some illness that cannot be treated at the hospital, it is my job to cure you. I can also refresh your psi points if you want. Do you need some help? Yes. Do you want me to do? Okay, 90. I'm not busy right now. Shall I explain about the hospital system? No. Yeah, well, I'm actually pretty busy. Okay. Okay. Purified? No. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, restore feeling, I think. Okay. Okay. What the? What the hell? Okay. What? You're a scam. Okay. Okay. You scam me, dude. Oh man, what was the... If I'm correct, what was the... You serious, dude? Okay, man. I help you. Fry pan for... Okay. Oh my goodness, dude. Okay. Let's stop the Alrighty then, I'm back. Okay. Oh. This la 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 snow a lot. So the shapes, winds blow. Okay, let's go here. I think if this is the right one. Okay. Okay, thank you. Ow! Oh my goodness, dude. Okay. Okay. Okay, then. Oh my goodness, no. East. East. That was east. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's getting more expensive, eh? Well. Okay. Yeah, forgot. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. Okay. 900. Hello everybody, welcome back. There's something urgent I need to take. I need to take care of. And yeah, this is the way I think. So, okay. There you go. Oh! Oh dear Lord. Let's heal ourselves up first, shall we? Oh yeah, there's a bigger hotel. Oh, food. Okay. Later we will take some things in the house. Okay, nope, that was the wrong move. Okay, let's rest. There will be some minor editing here later. Wait, what was the equipment again? Where should I buy? Okay. There's nothing. Okay. Later I will stream later. Well, at least there's two. Okay. Defeated. Hell. There you go. Defeated. Okay. But when I fought 3, oh, I think I need to grind. Maybe. Ow. I need to grind on Mount Titoy. Yeah. Status. Yeah. This is it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. You really want me to kill him, pa? Go. Oh man, you really want me to cheat, ha? You really want me to heal him, ha? Okay, I will give that to you, but no, you are not going to kill him. To make him unconscious, I mean. Yeah. Okay. Point. There you go. Beat. Oh. Again. Okay. I hope okay. Oh. Boom. There you go. Consider yourself beaten. Woo. 1,000. You are not going to. Okay, give me that. Yeah, only one. Oh my. Game time, ha? Okay. Defeat. There you go. Time. Oh. He didn't notice. That's a good thing. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh, 600. Okay. 91.50. There you go. Okay. There you go. Team. Okay, level 22. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, that's fine. That would be fine by me. 5-5. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the cathedral. Ay, cathedral, right? Okay, no one's here. Are you Anna? You have appeared just like in my dream. The boy in my dream looked just like you. Okay. Okay. Okay, fair. My daughter Anna has never been a brave girl, but she has a kind heart and has secret strength. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Are you Nathan? Yes. I must go on a trip to find my mom and I needed your help. So I've been waiting for you, Nathan. First, let's go see what's happening in Youngtown. Okay. Daddy, goodbye. Next time, Mommy will come back with us. Believe in us. Okay. Oh. That was cute. Oh, beta. Okay. There you go. B10. Okay. 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 Oh, nice. Level 1. Ay, level 3. Okay, brain shock. Okay, level 4. Okay. Oh, okay. Level 5. 6. Nice. Okay. Youngtown, right? I'm work on what she said. Oh. Okay. No. Oh. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Nice. Oh. Okay, nice. Defeated. Oh, okay. Alpha. Alright. After this, after I saved, okay, give me that. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh, yeah. Defeated. Okay. 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 Oh, oh, oh. There you go. There you go. Debating already. Okay. Nice. Okay. Hypnosis. Alrighty then. There you go. Oh, it's lagging. There are many sprites. Alrighty then. 1,000. Yeah. Okay. Got the fire pan niya. This girl. Yeah. Okay. Just one. Okay. Yes. Okay, just one. Nice. Okay. Nothing much. Thank you very much. Okay. 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 Yeah, I know. And then that is the end of the episode, everybody. See you on the next video. And bye bye, everybody. And God bless you all.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their